Alright, well, you guys were asking for a truck update. Here she is. Looking good. Got my toolbox in here. Bed of the truck is somewhat clean. There's my trash. Finally got some bolts in here, so this thing is strong. All my Christmas light hanging equipment, roof boots, hot glue gun. This is dirtier than it was about 10 minutes ago. I had to dig down to the bottom and grab something. It was organized. She's looking good. She's looking pretty clean. It's been about 2 weeks since I gave her a bath, but she's doing good. Here she is on the inside. I vacuumed it out, a couple weeks ago, and this thing just does such a great job at collecting debris. I'm not mad about that because it keeps my floorboard clean. But this thing just, with all these roofs I'm climbing on, doing these Christmas lights, I didn't realize how much was down there. WeatherTech, get you some. She's got a few scars, but I am gonna get this reupholstered at some point. I plan on keeping this truck forever, so those of you who follow me know that I'm serious about that. What else I got? I got a bunch of trash. It's just a mess, honestly. But I mean, $197, $406, like a champ, no problems. I have a connection piece here that plugs into my phone so I can listen to Pandora or whatever while I drive. I'll show you the front seats, all this stuff. There's my center console. And yeah, I have another pocket up under here, but I don't keep anything in there. My headset always sits there. I usually charge it while it's sitting here. Keep a spare of keys for like the trailer hitch, and my toolbox, and a couple other things. Keep these pretty clean. Hey, there's my gloves. I never go in there. Show you under the hood in just a minute. I carry these pieces of t-shirt so that I can put it up whenever it's really bright outside. Got my work boots, some tools. I really need to clean my truck out. My license plate for the front, I just keep it behind my seat. I don't like having my license plate in the front of my truck. And I got a couple hard hats in here. My personal flotation device, my daughter's car seat, and I'm sure it's really dirty under there. I hadn't pulled this one out in a while. I used to have a shirt in here for my daughter's side. I don't know where it went. And back here, I don't have anything in here. I got my CDs that I really don't even listen to anymore because they're all like, it's just old stuff that I don't even listen to anymore, like my rain gear. And I don't have a jack or anything for this. I want to get the one that's made for the truck. Like, I want to get everything original in this truck. WeatherTech all the way around. Go ahead and get this trash up out of here. So the other day, my truck wouldn't start, and I knew exactly what it was, but my coworker was like, "What's going on?" He thought my truck was dead because it's old. And it was just the battery terminal came loose right here on the battery. And I knew it as soon as it happened. What am I doing? No ticking, no clicking. She's running good. She's not in perfect shape. I mean, let's get real. It's 2002. She's got spots on her and she's rusty. But I'm going to repaint the entire truck, polish the headlights, and put some window tint. What color should I paint the truck? You guys have to help me with that. Leave a comment below what color you think this truck should be.